I have finally managed to get myself a little PC for playing around with. So Lenovo ThinkCentre mini PC. It has onboard integrated graphics, as these things do. And I want to use FreeBSD with KDE. Can I? So the short answer is yes, of course I can. In fact, I have. It's running right now, as you can see. But how did I do that? Well, it's actually quite simple. It required one line in my rc.conf and just in one command, which was PKG install drm-kmod. So we'll quickly run through that. I've already done it on this machine, so it won't actually do anything, but it is quite simple. So have a look at my terminal. Let's make it bigger. There we go. Right, that will do nicely. So, as I said, package install drm-kmod, and it will tell me that I've already got it, which I have. So that installed about 90 packages with several different kernel modules. And what you'll find is that actually it's the same one for AMD graphics as well. So it installs AMD stuff and obviously the Intel stuff. And that's the stuff we really care about. So let's worry about that. So that's installed a load of packages. So there you go. There it is installed. And that's just a meta port for a load of others. Let's see if we can find them all. There you go. GPU firmware, Radeon, Intel, AMD. All right, so no NVIDIA, but Radeons and AMDs, same thing. Well, same company anyway, now. So that was that installed. And then we literally just sys rc-f etc rc.conf kld list plus equals 915 kms. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. And I think it will just put another entry in. Actually, let's do it. But it's clever enough to realize that it's already there. Cool. And then I just rebooted. And that was it. And I've got to tell you, I'm pretty happy with how this looks for a free and open desktop with minimal fuss. Why not get yourself a mini PC? Certainly helps me out. There you go, about KDE. KDE be free. So it was as simple as that. I hate this keyboard and mouse. There you go. KDE Plasma 5.27.6. Now I know there's newer versions of KDE. Actually, what is the latest version of KDE? Yeah, that doesn't tell me anything. 527. 527 what, though? Yeah. Does not matter. We're on 527. That's pretty cool. They've actually caught up. So that's pretty nice. See, there we go. Intel graphics, 630. Very good. Very simple. Very easy to get up and running. And what's funny is I didn't even have to choose the resolution. I think it's just done it for me. Let's have a quick look at our settings and see. There you go, 1920 by 1080. It's picked up the refresh rate. Excellent. That's pretty good going. Yeah, it's because there's no speakers attached to it. I mean, it could play through HDMI, I'm sure of it, but it isn't. So there we go. Quick and dirty, an easy way to get a FreeBSD KDE desktop up and running with Intel graphics. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you find it useful. Please do subscribe and click like, and don't forget to click the bell icon that tells you when I release new videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.